3, 2, 1.
This is a normal outboard is connected right here. This is what I like to call Evan Badass. Not Evan Rude, Evan Badass. Hardcore, son. Ready to go. Sheared in half. Let me tell you something. It's got heart. We're ready to go. Loving every minute of it. Ready to go. I don't know what the hell's going on right here. That's a badass motor. Paid about $20 for it. Bad mother freaking. I love it. I'll tell you what, you cut me in half, I wouldn't be going right now. I'd be mad. This motor never stops. Yeah, it does. It does stop. I was just kidding.
I got that. I got that on video. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh.
Turn the damn camera off and give me a hand.
Let's find the motor. Let's find the motor, man.
Oh shit.
Wait. Oh shoot. I think I was on stop the whole time, not record.
How am I gonna explain that?
You recorded that? Thank you. Yeah.
Turn that shit off.